Dear students of class 10th, today we will study about mirror formula in first chapter, reflection and refraction. It is a relation among objects, distance, image distance and focal length of mirror. It is written as 1 upon object distance plus 1 upon image distance equal to 1 upon focal length. If object distance is assumed as small u, image distance v and focal length as small f, then 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f. We know that focal length of mirror is half of the radius of curvature, which is denoted by capital R. Then 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f equal to 2 by r. This is the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length. One thing is important to know that all the distance is measured from pole of the mirror, and object distance is also measured from pole of the mirror. Image distance also measured from pole of the mirror. Object distance is always negative and image distance is negative, but in one case it is positive. When image distance is taken as positive, when the object is placed between pole and focus, the image is formed virtual, which form behind the mirror, so it is positive. And another formula, linear magnification produced by a concave mirror. What is linear magnification? Magnification means image is either smaller or greater in comparison to the object. The linear magnification produced by a concave mirror is defined as the ratio of height of the image, which is taken as h2, to the height of the object h1. It is represented by small m, that is linear magnification small m equal to height of image h2 upon height of object h1. It implies that it means m equal to h2 upon h1. There are three cases. When image is enlarged, then h2 is greater than h1, means height of image will be greater than the height of object. Then the value of magnification will greater than 1, and when image is of the same size that of the object, h2 equal to h1, it means magnification become 1. And one thing, when height of object and height of image will of same measurement, when the object is placed on the center of curvature, we know that the image will form inverted and real just below the object, and the height of the image and object will same. And when image is smaller than the object, means h2 is less than h1, then the value of magnification will minus 1, less than 1. Now, according to the Cartesian symbol, when image is real and inverted, its value will negative, and when the image is virtual, then the height of object will positive, height of image will positive, height of object always positive, but image height is positive in one case, when our image is virtual, means it will form behind the mirror. So students, learn this, and these two formulas are important for numerical point of view. Okay, and next video will continue for remaining topic. Okay, thank you.